This is today's painting. Took it from did it from a photograph I took yesterday while walking around Sutton Park in the snow. Compositions were pretty much the same. The only thing I did, I added this foreground shadow. I'm not quite sure if I've improved it or not, to be honest with you. I was trying to get some sort of light effect coming across, but I don't know if it looks better without. Just about make out the path that was walking along there, and then I've just brushed that in simply. Just added a little figure as well. I thought I had to have a figure in this one. There's our little man and his dog. And then, not much colour, just stuck with the three colours on this one. Which got raw sienna, burnt umber and ultramarine, just those three colours. And just left plenty of unpainted, just white paper, just to represent all the snow. And these foreground trees, just put in simply with the rigger. Just a number 3 rigger. Well, I think I used a 3 and then a 0 for the more distant ones. So what I did with this, I took a series of photographs so you can watch it build up from nothing. So I'll post those over on my Patreon page, patreon.com/StephenCronin, if you want to see this step-by-step photo tutorial. So as always, thanks for watching and happy painting.